Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashonda King. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today I'm going to show you a winter wonderland backdrop idea. So I have my playlist sequin as my base. I have regular sequin, white, and then I have a baby blue from CV Linens. It is absolutely beautiful. Okay, so I'm just loading on my panels. I do have a draping class, a virtual live draping class coming November the 24th at 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Check my website for more information. I would love to see you there. This class is perfect for you if you're looking to build your confidence. You're going to learn all the basics. Also, you're going to learn how to create a design that you can charge more for your business. Last, you can add a new service onto your business by learning luxury draping. Okay, back to the design. I just showed you a safety pin because I'm adding safety pins at the top because that's what I'm going to use to attach the large snowflakes. So I use fishing line and I attached it to each of the safety pins and I made it lengthy. And here are the snowflakes. I got them from Amazon. They're beautiful. I start in the center, but I am not going to leave that in the center. And for this valance, I made a member-only video to show you all how I did that. So if you're looking to learn even more, I would recommend that you join my membership. It's all centered around draping. And we have a live once a month. Okay, so I'm giving them different heights or like letting them have a different drop. I try to put it in the center, but it's going to blend. So I took that one off and now I'm just pleating straight up and down, getting me a V going with the sequin and the white. And then with the baby blue, I'm going to begin to give the draping some swag on both sides. And then when I get to the two outer baby blue panels, I'm going to give it even more of a drop. It was a little challenging with the snowflakes being in my way. So maybe I could have waited to attach those. I could have waited. I'm stepping back to make sure the drop is the same on both sides. Now I'm getting ready to remove some of the pipe cleaners in the center because when you put your tie back on, you don't want pipe cleaners showing. So I just get a sequin napkin, I'm folding it and wrapping it around. I use corsage pins, 2 pins to attach that. And then I decide to put the snowflake there. Now in the center, I am just going to give it like a triangular shape, a Hershey Kiss shape. And then I did not let any of the white show because the white, I chose to let the fabrics with less wrinkles show. These are my props. I got them from Amazon. I got the tree, the reindeer, and the little small tree as well from Amazon. But the fur rugs I got from Walmart. So I said, okay, let me go ahead, and I forgot to add that on. I bought 2 of them because I knew I would use them in the future for a backdrop. And so I knew I needed 2 of them in order to be long enough to go in front of a backdrop. Okay, I'm going to add my props back. And this is how it turned out. I am absolutely happy with this design. I have a Winter Wonderland event coming up in a couple of months, and I just kind of want to do a mock-up and just try out this design. Please let me know your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe if you have not subscribed already, and I would love to see you in my upcoming virtual class. Also, join my membership if you want to learn even more concerning draping. I thank you so much for joining me today. Until I see you next time. Bye.